Today we have a pretty special Aston Martin, a 1993 Virage Volante Widebody. There were only 13 that came to the United States, and this is probably one of the best ones. I think 8,000 miles. It's been Concours condition almost since new, and always maintained and has been cared for. So it's a pretty special car, and this one is definitely bang for the buck. Who knows? Maybe one day they will be worth $1 million. They're rare, but not as sought after at the moment, but still very special. So we're gonna take it for a ride. Well, here we are. We're firing it up. Pretty cold. Everything works. We're going to move the seat up because of my short Greek legs. And let's get on with it. So, as I said, really cool cars. Very rare. 8,800 miles from new. It's been sympathetically restored to keep as fresh as possible at all times. And is probably one of the nicest ones in the country. We're going to warm it up. As you can see, it's in warm-up idle. And all temps, pressures, everything works great. Air conditioning works. Lovely radio with Bluetooth. Okay, well, we are at operating temperatures, and we're going to take the back road first. It is cool. It's got a sport exhaust, but it's not too loud. It's not too quiet. Surprisingly, for big cars, they're actually pretty manageable and handle really well. As I've said, we've known this car for ages and ages and ages. It's always been loved and cared for. We're going to get on the highway in a couple of minutes to show you how well it cruises. And I have to be honest with you, most of the time I think the car's been used to go back and forth to the Hamptons. So it's a great summer car, wonderful AC. And we'll see you on the highway. So we have definitely picked the wrong time of the day to get on the highway because there's absolutely no way we're going to be cruising at all. So we're just going to cruise on the side road and show you how well she does it. And she does it effortlessly and in comfort. And she brakes really well as well. So see, you've got it working. And off. Cruising by the stables. Of course, I think we have a little more horsey power. I had to. Wait, hold on. And since one of my best buddies, Bill Boyle, loves this, ready? That's the drummer in me.